Welcome back. So far so good? Pretty easy system to use. So the last and most important feature, of course, is the articles that you want to put out to your residents. And it's important to remember that every month we will always place appropriate articles in that we call ready-made articles in case you get too busy and are not able to customize and update your newsletter by the deadline. So don't worry, you will get a newsletter. It may not have all the customization that you want, but you will get a newsletter appropriate for that month based on our ready-made articles. So in order to change out the articles, it's important to look at, here's our lines on the top that we have 46 usable lines, 44 are filled, and only 2 are left. So simply we are not able to add any more articles until we can create more space. So let's create more space. And to do that, we would basically click on an article we don't want. So we're going to choose Beware of Dogs, and we're going to left click one time where it opens up into an editable format, and let's delete it because we want space. So we click delete, and if you see, it comes back, it gives us 9 lines. Well, 9 lines is enough to put in another article. And I know what you're thinking. Let's get rid of more articles. And you can do that. So you just simply click the title and delete to create more space so you can have more customization. For now, however, we have enough space to add an article, and we can do that 2 ways. On the top left, we can add a custom article, which is simply clicking there and add your own title. And you would create your own title, bold it, and then you would add whatever message you want to put, and simply click add on the bottom. And as you see, it comes back to the home page and it places your article there. Now, if you want to utilize our library of articles, that's in the white boxes by category, so you can see all the different articles that we have, as we do have writers that write articles every week for us and are always updating our articles. So for now, let's kind of go into community rules and regulations and referrals, because we all know that a happy resident will refer more residents, and that's a great source of internal marketing. So once that library opens up, then you can select an article that's good for your property. So let's say that you choose number 3, exclusive referral. You simply click add article. It opens up to an editable format. Of course, we ask that you read these articles. And if you find anything that you don't want or you want to customize it, you simply click on it, type what you want, or edit it anyway, and hit add. This takes that article and it adds it to the newsletter as we see it on the bottom here. Okay? And now if you want to change the order, all you do is click on the little orange arrow and it will move the sequence. Okay? So you can see it moves the sequence up. Now, we show 5 lines left. We newsletter preview on the bottom left to make sure it's filling up our front page. And it will determine if we really have more space or not. So 5 lines left still is enough space to add another small article or make another article longer. And you can simply do that by choosing an article from the library or add your own custom article. We're going to pause now so that you can update your articles, and we'll be back to show you how to submit your newsletter.